Okay, so this is my final project for mechatronics. It is an alarm clock that also winds my watch. So if you want to just take a look here, I have a watch winder that my friend is holding because I designed the case a little bit poorly and it doesn't hold itself up. But I have, inside of here, I have my Arduino that is doing all the processing. There's a little buzzer here. The IR remote sensor is right here behind the LCD. Then I have my LCD. I have my real-time clock that keeps track of what time it is. I have a voltage step down so that I can power 12 volts to my watch winder and so that I can power 9 volts to my Arduino so I don't fry it. And then I have the controller for the motor in the back here. It's kind of hard to see. It's that little red board. So I'm just going to demonstrate some of the functions of the alarm while I'm waiting for this to start turning again. Oh, there it goes. It's turning right now. So it rotates to charge the watch, and then after a certain number of rotations, it will stop on its own and then wait for a while before it starts again so I don't overwind my watch. So I'm going to show now how I set the alarm. So if I push this button right here, it will set to a mode for setting the alarm. So I'm going to set the alarm for 1736 in military time, 1736, and turn the alarm on using the play pause button. Then now that that alarm is on, it's going to sound as soon as it reaches the time that I've given it. While we're waiting for that, I'll just explain a little more about my idea for the remote. I picked using a remote to control my alarm clock in the morning because I have a hard time getting up, and I figured I could hide the remote and it would force me to get up in order to shut off the obnoxiously loud alarm. And there it is. I'm going to shut that off now. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate the study mode, which if I push the forward button on my IR remote, it will show a progress bar right here that indicates how long I've been studying for. When it reaches a certain point, it will sound a buzzer for just a couple seconds, and then it will reset the progress bar, and that lets me know it's time for me to take a break from studying. I'm going to shut that off, and that is my final project.